Hey everyone, Cryptopher here. Thank you very much for joining me on today's episode, and let's get right on into it. Looking at Bitcoin on an hourly chart here, and wow, so much has changed from yesterday's video. Well, just a quick recap. I was looking for two main things for Bitcoin: that the 50 EMA cross back up above the 200 EMA, which we got, and that it will break above the long-standing trending support line that was building since December 25th. And we got that too. So I was very happy to see both of those occur, but unfortunately, Bitcoin was not able to sustain above that uptrending level of support and has broke back down. Now, Bitcoin currently looks like it's forming a bear flag formation and has actually dropped below not only the uptrending level of support, but also the supporting line of this bear flag formation. So with that, actually, this looks like it's following suit with what I shared with you yesterday about what Bob Loukas posted on his Twitter. He shared on his Twitter that he is looking to see a retracement down to potentially the $24,000 range in about February and then bounce back up from there. And just a quick read on his tweet here. He says, in a steep uptrend, drops are reversed quickly, whereas this feels more like a start of a consolidation phase. And so just a possibility, and as I said before in my previous video, when he put air quotes of possibility, I think he's just saying it is going to happen, which looks like it is indeed coming to fruition here. So we have that happening with Bitcoin at the moment. So where can we see Bitcoin potentially go at this point? Well, for the targeted move for a bear flag would be, well, measure the flagpole from the top here down to the support line, and then take that measured move to the bottom there, and we could potentially see Bitcoin going to around 25,900. That would be the targeted move for a bear flag. But with that though, we are still in a bull market, so Bitcoin may not reach all the way down there. So where are some support levels that we can look at? Well, what we can do is we could take out the fib retrace and take a look from here to the swing high. So these are some support levels we can see that Bitcoin may bounce off of if Bitcoin doesn't reach the targeted move of this bear flag. So we can see actually that Bitcoin has perfectly touched the golden pocket of 0.618%, and that is roughly around the $34,000 range, $34,400. And Bitcoin could potentially bounce back up from here, or it could continue going further. What makes me think that Bitcoin may drop a little further is if we go to the 4-hour, and I'll just get rid of the fib retrace there, we can see that Bitcoin on the MACD has flipped bearish and just started as well. It just started flipping bearish. So my thoughts is that it can drop a little further beyond the 0.618% level. But overall, let's see what Bitcoin will do in the next 24 to 48 hours. Again, the targeted move of a bear flag would be around 25,800. That's where I'm looking at. But again, there are those support levels as shown by the fib retrace. So we'll just see where Bitcoin goes in the next 24 to 48 hours. Moving on here, I want to share this article for you today just to show, again, the bullishness of Bitcoin and that we really shouldn't worry. And this from You Today. PayPal expected to generate $2 billion worth of revenue from Bitcoin. And this is from Mizuho. Now, who is Mizuho? Dan Dolev, Mizuho Securities FinTech Research Analyst, expects PayPal's Holdings Incorporated to generate up to $600 million worth of revenue from its cryptocurrency services alone in this year, 2021, and the projected $2 billion from the title there is in 2023. So according to Dolev's estimation, this figure could balloon up to $2 billion, which would account for 10% of the total revenue. Now, why is he so bullish on this? Well, based on Mizuho's research, the company he's with, he states here that half of PayPal's cryptocurrency-focused users come back to the app every single day. In fact, Bitcoiners tend to use the app 3 times more often than no-coiners. And furthermore, In December interview with Pantera Capital CEO Dan Moore had claimed that PayPal was absorbing over 100% of all fresh Bitcoin supply. Earlier this week, the payments giant saw a huge increase in trading volumes with 242 million worth of digital currencies changing hands on Monday alone. So again, very bullish news here. PayPal just lapping up as much Bitcoin as it possibly can to service the hungry customers that are using the PayPal app. Very bullish news. Again, just more reasons for us to stay positive in this space. And also, not just retail, but the miners. This other article here from Decrypt. Bitcoin mining revenue hits 20 billion, doubling in 2 years. Bitcoin miners are making a killing from this bull run. So not only retail, but the miners themselves are doing phenomenal here. And this research comes from Raphael Schulitz-Kraft. Please forgive me if I mispronounced that name. But he is the CTO of Glassnode. And he, based on their research, have found that in the past 2 years, Bitcoin miners have earned as much as in the first 10 years. So just ultimately killing it in this industry here. And just furthermore, cumulative revenue today hit 20 billion, meaning that it has doubled in the past 2 years according to Glassnode. All this shows that Bitcoin miners are deriving more revenue than ever from securing Bitcoin's network. The pace picked up during this year's bull run, which quadrupled the price of Bitcoin in under 5 months. Bitcoin started to rise in October when it was about $10,500 to highs of just over $40,000 this month. So again, great bullish news again. And not only are the miners are killing it, but because they're doing so well that other players are jumping in. We see Galaxy Digital, the crypto investment company, today announced it was getting into the mining biz. The New York-based company, founded in 2018, today launched Galaxy Digital Mining as a one-stop financial services platform for miners. So again, such great bullish news. There's nothing really for us to worry about in this retracement and slash consolidation phase. If anything, just treat this as an opportunity to pick up some cheap Bitcoin at this time and really just hold on. I mean, the bull market has just started. We have a long way to go this year. I'm seeing just great things happening for Bitcoin. So I think there's nothing really for us to worry about. Just hodl on, and from there, wishing much success for you and myself. So thank you for joining me on this short episode today. Wishing everyone a great day. If you found this information helpful, please give me a like or subscribe. And if you found value in today's episode, please share with someone you know. Thanks again, and have yourself a great day.